Meet Stormy.
Well, her name is Stormy because we think she was born during Helene.
We were in Swannanoa near Asheville days after Helene hit, working with volunteers from Samaritan's Purse and Lowe's, when one of them discovered a newborn kitten. Amid all the destruction in the area, signs of hope. Workers just rescued this tiny kitten, and they're about to send him to the nearby animal hospital.
And standing there as the PR person, I often am standing to the sidelines, don't have anything but my cell phone in my hands, and all of a sudden this volunteer just runs up to me and hands me this teeny tiny little ball of fur that barely fit in my hand. And it was just this moment of hope amidst all of this really heartbreaking destruction.
The rest of the litter didn't make it, so the kitten was all alone. Laurel ended up taking her home and falling in love in the process.
She is thriving. She lives with us with her 2 Beagle sisters, and she has grown up. She's 13 pounds, so she's a very large cat, and she rules the roost.
Michelle Bowden, WCNC Charlotte.